You said what? Repeat that again.
I said I'm not going to sell you a gun.
And why is that?
I don't have to have a reason not to sell you one.
So you're just stereotyping, right?
I'm not going to answer that. That's crazy.
So you are stereotyping, right?
We have to follow all federal guidelines, and we're not going to sell you a gun.
So why are you not following the
And if you
guidelines?
don't go ahead and leave the premises. I'm going to call the police.
Why are you not following the
You're when
guidelines?
you're in here, and I'm going to call the police.
Why are you not following the guidelines? So I just walked in Hopkins Gun and Tackle, and before I can say anything, this man right here said he would not sell me a firearm. And his reason, what's your reason again? You don't need a reason? You have reason to believe that I'm going to sell it to somebody else?
Excuse me, 277-8423. Vance Hopkins. I have a gentleman inside right now that I've refused sale to a gun, and he's gotten loud
why
at the
though?
door, and I'd like him
why?
to leave, and he will not leave.
Why? You keep my man. This the owner? And I purchased how many firearms from here? A couple, right? And I walk in today, and the first thing he tell me, he would not sell me or my friend a firearm because he have reason to believe that I will sell it to somebody else. That's his reason. That's fucked up, right? Yeah. I know you on job, so you ain't gonna answer, but you know it's fucked up.
Hey, we got kids in here. Watch
Hey.
your language.
Your man terrible.
I'm sorry, we got young children here. Please watch your language, okay?
Hey, when I come back in here, I'm gonna I got a gun on layaway. I'm taking that off. I'm taking that off layaway. I will not purchase any other firearm from this store. Hopkins Gun and Tackle on Mechanicsville Turnpike.
Black t-shirt, different colored front to it, and looks like dark.
He didn't even know I was a regular customer though. A regular. I purchased a few from here, by the way. Hopkins Gun and Tackle, y'all. Oh, this will go viral. Best believe. You're gonna lose a lot of business, my man.